Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering both Smh5 headsets and confirming sufficient battery. Low power interrupts pairing. Once on, press and hold the jog dial until you hear the pairing tone. This places the unit into Bluetooth pairing mode so it can discover the other headset. Make sure ambient noise is low so voice prompts are audible. That helps you recognize successful mode entry. While one headset waits, immediately prepare the second headset to enter pairing 2, because timing matters for a direct intercom pair. Now you perform the actual intercom pairing. With both headsets in pairing mode, one unit will search and display a found device via voice prompt. Press the jog dial briefly to select that device. You might hear a connecting tone. Wait until both units announce paired or connected. Once paired, try a short intercom message to verify bidirectional audio. This confirms microphone and speaker routing are correct. If prompts differ, repeat the jog dial confirm step slowly, so the second unit registers the finish by exiting pairing mode and testing a full conversation during a brief ride or bench test. This ensures stability under motion. If you experience audio dropouts, update firmware using Sena's app or PC utility. New firmware often fixes Bluetooth reliability. If pairing fails after 2 attempts, reset each Smh5 to factory defaults and repeat the pairing sequence. Resetting clears cached conflicts. Remember, resetting erases saved pairings, but it resolves stubborn Bluetooth interference quickly and reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.